welcome back to JS's Collections. So, how are you all? I am doing very well and hope the same from you all. And the thing is, I would like to say, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button and try to share to your family and friends if you think my collection is useful for your friends and family. And one more thing, please try to subscribe because I need your love and support to grow, and I want all of you to take part in my growth. So let's go to the video. So the first one is a beautiful and the ultimate combination, that is black and white. So it's a t-shirt, you can see this, okay, and it has all over the bow print on the all over print, and it has full sleeves, and it has a band here. It is a little bit shaped one, and with the little bit it is like a bow neck, okay, and it's a free size. It will go up to double XL size, you can say. It's a stretchy one, it's an imported one, and it costs you 550 plus shipping. And I have the same pattern, but the color is different. This is black and this is navy blue, and the size and the price is the same, 550 plus shipping. So one more thing, so the next one is, this is also the imported one, and it's a georgette cloth. And the plus point of this top is the sleeves. You can see it has a different sleeve. See, this one is a beautiful sleeve. It's like a belly sleeves, okay, and it has pleats here, and it has a small accessory. It's like a show button, and the size is XL, and it is a short top. It will be suitable those who are interested in western wear, and those who, especially those who wear jeans or skirt and tops, it will be suitable for them. See, the length is 26 inches. It's a short top, and its cost is 450 plus shipping. So we'll go to the next one. And next I have a cotton kurtis. See this one, it's a ikat print ones, and it's really pure cotton, and it has a nice design at the neck. It has mirrors also. This is a real mirror, you can see. It's a real mirror, and it has a pattern at the neck, and it's a boat neck top, and it has a pattern with the golden beads stitched to it, and also mirror work at the on the neck. And the cost is 550 plus shipping, and the size is XL, and it's really pure cotton. It will be suitable for you in summer. And I have one more shade in this. This is red color,
Crimson.
it's not the very bright red, it's like a tomato red, you can say. The print and everything is same, the neck pattern and everything is same. Only the thing is, the color is different. It is in green, it is in red, and it is in mehndi green color, and both are of 550 plus shipping. And next I have a few dresses for our cute little princesses. Okay, I have dresses for little girls. See, this one is of stripes pattern, and here we have totally elastic, okay, and the sleeves also with the elastic only, and it has only strapped sleeves, and it is a stretchy one because it is totally of elastic up to waist, and it will fit for kids up to 10 years. And the length of this dress is 42. And if this dress, if anyone who uses S size, or the college going girls who are very slim, they also can manage with this, because the sleeves are very stretchy, and also here also it stretches up to 36 inches. So if anyone who is slim, they can also use this as a you can wear it on you can use leggings or plazo like that, and you can use it for when you go to college and all, you will look different also. And it costs you 350 plus shipping. And this is also suitable for slim girls up to 18 or up to 16 like that, and it will be very much suited for kids also. And it will also stretch up to 36 inches, and it has buttons also here up to the waist, and the sleeves are like ties. See, these both are tie, you can tie here, so you can increase length also with this. And it is pure cotton, suitable for up to 11 or 12 years girls. And the college going girls who use small size, who are very slim, they can also use this. And it's really beautiful, very nice cotton cloth, pure cotton it is. And it costs you 400 plus shipping. And one more dress I have, this is a skirt. It is of off-white color, and it has navy blue print, and it has a lace also here, and elastic over waist. And its length is 40. College going girls can use this. And it has flare also, it has lot of flare, you can see this flare. It's really nice because it's a very, very nice cloth, pure cotton it is. And it costs you 350 plus shipping. And you can see this one, it's a beautiful gown. And it's the thing is it is in a beautiful color, coral shade it is, and it is trendy. See, you can see its neck is like this, open, it's a V shape, and you have a tie over here, retro style. Okay, it's a retro style dress, and you can happily wear it for evening parties. You will look stunning with this dress, really I am telling you. It has 3/4 sleeves, and the cloth is, it is little bit shiny also, you can see from closer. See, it is shining also. Really I am telling you, the neck pattern and everything is stunning. And it's a western top, especially it's a celebrity type style. And let me tell you the length of this dress, so that you can easily make out whether it will fit. You can, if you are short, you can also decrease the length by cutting here at the bottom. But really I am telling you, whoever takes this will be the center of attraction for that day. It is 58 inches, it's a long gown, and it costs you 800 plus shipping. And it has 3/4 sleeves, and it's a very long gown. Really, it's really pretty. I liked it so much. So today I think you all liked my collection, especially the gown. And those who are watching, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and please share with your friends and family if you think that it is helpful for them to buy from me. And if you think my prices are reasonable, please share with your friends and family. And we will meet in the next video with the again stunning collection. Thanks for watching. And whatever the dresses you like, please take screenshot and send it to the mentioned number. And you can follow me on Instagram. My Insta ID is jss_collections123, and you can also DM me on this. So bye bye.